Welcome back, readers! Today we're reading Squirrel and Bird by Laura Baker, illustrated by Stacy Thomas. Squirrel and Bird. This is Squirrel. This is Bird. Squirrel is loud, very loud. You can hear Squirrel from anywhere. Bird is quiet. Bird hardly makes a sound at all. Did you say something, Bird? See? Silence. You didn't really give me a chance. Squirrel is busy. Busy, busy, busy. Whoosh! Bird prefers to sit and do nothing. Wait, what? I'm not doing nothing. As you can see, Squirrel and Bird are completely different. But still, they are best friends. And today, they are preparing for a concert. Tonight, the whole forest is invited. The stage is set. The crowd is waiting. Squirrel loves a crowd, so Squirrel is oh so easy breezy. Look at that big smile. No nerves here at all. Bird is not relaxed in the least. Look, Bird is freaking out. Maybe Squirrel should perform alone. After all, Squirrel is loud. Bird is quiet. Really? This again? Squirrel is busy. Bird sits still. Squirrel is confident. Bird is shy. Squirrel. Enough! We are not only what you say we are. There's so much more to us than that. Wow, I never knew Bird could sing so loud. And look, sometimes Squirrel likes to sit and do nothing, while I take center stage. We're not one thing all the time, you know. Okay, I might have been too hasty. So, what you're saying is, Bird is a lot of things. Quiet, check. Confident, check. Calm, check. A thinker, check. A performer, check. And Squirrel is too. Loud, check. Excitable, check. A doer, check. Shy, check. A listener, check. Exactly. So, should we start again? We are Squirrel and Bird. Sometimes we are loud, sometimes we are quiet. And that's okay, because we can be whoever we want to be. That is the end of our story today. I just love that message. We are not one thing all the time. There are days where we're going to feel very happy and loud and excited. And there are some days where we're not going to feel that way and we want to be quieter and calmer. And that is okay. It is okay to be both. It is good to be both. You are free to be whoever you want to be, whenever you want to be. Be yourselves and be proud. Thank you so much for being here with me. I will see you next time. Goodbye.